Welcome to a video by Abron. This is autoclave portable, small one, about 9 inches. Here it is 9 inches, 10 inches, and here it is 10 inches by 10, 9 by 9 inches. This is all stainless steel inside. This is this single chamber. This body is stainless steel. This body is also stainless steel, and this is called a cooker type autoclave. Here we have inside heater, one bench for putting your items. This is heater, which is again for electric power. The stand is there, and one wire is to be connected here. This is 220 volt. This has three. One is gas pressure. Here we have the pressure which is automatically adjusted so that the proper pressure is maintained. And this one is a pressure release. It says pressure release means it will release the gas after the complete sterilization has happened. This is once, if by mistake this is struck, there is a double safety release. Second one is also there. This is double safety release. And this one is for steel release. If you are after completing the whole job, you have to release the steam. But it should always be kept water up to minimum this about half inches above 1 inch above the heater. It should always be kept like that. And then you have to place it and then turn it. This you have to place it and tight it. See, this has to be placed here, and then it goes. Here we go. We can tight this section. This one is by closing it. Now it is closed. It has a gasket inside, and then you can see this will give you the pressure, and this is to be closed before using. Close it, and after that, if starts, just check it little bit. If the steam is coming or not, then the pressure will be visible here, and then the whistle will give one whistle, 2 or 3, and then it can take about 10-15 days for sterilization. After the steam is sterilized, stop the wire. Let it remain for sterilizing the item for 10-20 minutes. As per your books, you can do it and then complete the job. This is a WhatsApp number is 99922222049. Another is 94160200018. Our email is abron01@gmail.com. WhatsApp is this website is abronexports.com. We are exporting these, and they are available in India also, export also. We have got the aluminium also, big one also, 16 by 20, single chamber, double chamber, triple chamber, and radial type, all available with us. All sterilizers are with us. Please share these videos, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.